In this video, I'll show you how to buy Ethereum on Binance. First, open the Binance app or go to the Binance website and log into your account. If you do not have an account yet, create one first, complete identity verification, and set up security protection like two-factor authentication before making a purchase. Once you are logged in, make sure you have a payment method ready. You can buy Ethereum using a credit card, debit card, bank transfer, cash balance, or other payment options available in your country. From the Binance home screen, tap Buy Crypto. On the website, you can usually find Buy Crypto in the top menu. Then choose the payment method you want to use, such as credit or debit card, bank transfer, or cash balance. Next, select the currency you want to pay with. This could be dollars, euros, pounds, or your local currency if Binance supports it. Enter the amount you want to spend, then choose Ethereum as the cryptocurrency you want to buy. You can also search for ETH, which is the trading symbol for Ethereum. Before continuing, review the order details carefully. Binance will show you the estimated amount of Ethereum you will receive, the exchange rate, and any fees. Since crypto prices can move quickly, the final amount may change slightly before you confirm. If everything looks correct, tap Buy ETH or Confirm Buy. Binance may ask you to complete payment confirmation or security verification. This can include a bank approval, card verification, email code, phone code, passkey, or authenticator app code. After the payment is approved, your Ethereum will be added to your Binance wallet. To check your balance, go to Wallets, then open your Spot wallet and search for ETH. Your Ethereum balance should appear there. You can also buy Ethereum through spot trading. To do this, go to Trade, choose Spot, and search for a trading pair like ETH/USDT. Select Buy, enter the amount, and choose your order type. A market order buys Ethereum immediately at the current market price, while a limit order lets you set the price you want to pay. If you are new to Binance, using Buy Crypto is usually the easiest option. Spot trading gives you more control, but it can feel more advanced, and that's how you buy Ethereum on Binance. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.